Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can set up WPLMS, which is WordPress Learning Management System. So let's just check it out. So we're going to see the settings. So once you log in as admin, you will see a dashboard like this, where you will see the users, courses, student enrollments, payment, your payment reports, calendar, where you will have all the courses listed on the calendar. Then you have detail. Once you click on the plus, you have the pop-up kind of thing when you menu list, reservation, groups, messages. So it gives you the glimpse of the whole system. We're going to see the settings. So from the left side menu, click on settings. So you will land on a page where you can actually give your own branding to the LMS name, to the system, your company name, your academy name or something like that, starting here, email, address, your logo. So there are two logos that we have. It's given the size as well. So then you have the mail notification settings. So whatever mails that goes out, you want to enable or disable it. We support the PayPal to accept the payment in different currencies all over the world. You just need to enable, so you need to add your PayPal email ID, so you will accept the payment through the PayPal for all the paid courses. And we have the front-end learner registration, meaning whenever someone signs up from the front end, do you want the pro system or not, that kind of thing. Then you have the plan settings. So if you have a learner's plan, monthly plan or something like that, how many days you want to send the reminder before the plan expires. Then there is prerequisite for courses. If the course status is in process, do you want to give them the complete button or something like that. So there is a recurring course option. Then there is a signing. So any certificate that's generated for the learners once they successfully complete the course, you want to give them a certificate which needs some signing. So those are the signs that can be used for that. So that's the general setting. Once you are done with general setting, go to access rights. So access right will give you student, teacher, and management role. So we have three roles that we support: admin, student, teacher, and management. For each role you can control who can view what and who can do, so who have the restricted access, right? So each module you have own data, view, add, edit, delete option. So you can restrict the access based on checking the boxes. If you uncheck the box, means they will not be able to access that particular module or particular feature. So that's access right. Now let's just go and check it out, the email templates. So we have, whenever a new registration happens, we can send an email. This is the email that appears over here. There are variables, as you can see in the curly brackets. Those variables, you can use it to customize the email as per your requirement. So over here we are giving you the option to customize the email that goes out on every time a new user is registered or they sign up for the new course and things like that. Thanks for watching the video today, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.